Hi everyone, I'm Joe Newman, this is How Easy, and today I will show you how to create hyperlink in Word. Enjoy! First, what you need to do is copy link of web page what you want to insert in Word in hyperlink, and you can easily go to the Word. Second thing is find your word what you want to make a hyperlink. For me will be this word here in sentence, hello, you can visit our content page here. So I will mark this word, just right click on your mouse, go to this shape to the right and insert the link. If you want to edit a hyperlink, just click right and click for edit hyperlink. You can see here a link which will be open. After a click, you can see the text, so you can change it for, or you can add another place in your document or create new document, email address, whatever you want. So you can click OK. You can see that we changed the text of hyperlink. If you want to make a hyperlink from photo, it's the same process. Select photo, click right on select photo, click link. You can add here address and just click OK, and it's all. If you want to make a hyperlink to show something in the same document what you have, you just easily select your word, click to the link, and you will click to place in this document. I want to select photo number 2. I will click OK. If you open hyperlink, you will jump to the photo number 2. So it was all for today. Thank you so much that you watched this video. If you like this video, give me a like or subscribe or comment this video, and stay tuned because in next videos I will show you more life hacks with Word. We will see you next time. Ciao.